today's episode, I'm going to be unboxing this. It's finally here, guys. It's finally here. My Proton Pack from Hasbro is here. I hinted about it last month. It's finally here. But just so you guys know, this is actually going to be a two-part episode. Yes, that's right. There's going to be this episode this month, and then next month will be part 2 of this. Because unfortunately this unboxing is going to take way longer than I think it's going to be. And then we'll talk about more of the inner workings and everything that's inside of this box, which is ginormous, by the way. Anyways, anyways, let's get started. Okay, I think I got this. Hey guys, Rob here. How's it going? How you all doing? I know, I'm hiding behind the box. Well, I wouldn't even say I'm hiding behind it. I just want to show you guys how big this box is. It's huge. And it's really heavy. I literally thought this thing was going to be like 5 pounds. No, it's more like 35 pounds. So it is super heavy. But here's the thing. I'm going to tell you guys right now, I am super, super excited about this. I have been looking forward to opening this thing for you guys, but also for me. Because this is like Christmas for me. Because I have been waiting for a long time to get one of these basically in my collection. I've always wanted one. It was one of my bucket list items, you know. I mean, I've had, you know, I've had several different items like the pulse rifle from Aliens and the Kroll clave blade and the RoboCop gun and, you know, those things. I've always wanted those things and I finally had them. And so, but when I saw Ghostbusters and the movies and stuff, I was always going, gosh, that would be so cool to have one of those. Well, it's here. It's in this box, and I'm probably, while I'm going to be unboxing this, I am going to be mostly behind the camera, but I wanted to take you guys step by step, open this thing up, and also show you everything inside. Now, just so you guys know, if you saw the trailer at the beginning, okay, this is going to be a 2-part episode. Because unfortunately, with how excited I'm going to be on this and how much time I'm going to be taking to unbox this thing, get inside and start picking through things, and like anybody who's get a Christmas present or whatever and stuff like that, they get really excited. So I'm super excited because this is something I've been waiting for a long, long time. So I was going to break this up into 2 episodes. So this will be the first episode where I unbox this, show you what it looks like, and then the next month episode will be part 2 of this. But I'm going to show you the inner workings. I'm going to show you all the things, including, which is the part that's super cool about this, is taking my Proton one, which is over there, and connecting it to this and make it do things. So, without further ado, guys, let's get into this box. But I will be right back. Okay guys, so I'm just going to be tilting the camera a little bit so that you guys can see inside this while I'm doing, you know, basically the unboxing. So excuse me, I'm going to be kind of a little bit off the side of the camera, but basically here's what we're going to do, guys. I'm going to start cutting open into this, trying to figure out what's going on, and then we're just going to go step by step. Each piece, I'll show you guys as much as I can, and I'll try to make it not too boring, but you're just going to kind of hear me most of the time as I'm cutting this open, and my excitement. But the reason why the camera's so high too, it's my new camera tripod. So this thing can sit really high. And so anyway, let's get into this. I'm wasting too much time. I know. I'm going, I promise. So, all right. Let's do this first. All right, let's see. As I said, guys, I'm just going to keep moving around here. I'm going to try to make this as fast as I can, but I'm also going to try to make it as exciting as I can. Trust me on this when I tell you guys, I am super excited because I have been waiting for one of these in my collection for a very, very, very long time. So, I'm hoping you guys feel the same way about the excitement. So, okay. Oh my goodness. This is a very big box. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. Well, that's one box. And there's another box. But you can see here it says, please open from bottom. All right. So let's flip this over and open box number 2. Okay. Got more tape. Okay. And I think the big joke is right now, it's a box in a box in a box. But we'll see. Oh. All right. Now we got some cool stuff here, guys. We got some cool stuff going on right now. All right. So, whew. All right. Whew. All righty. Well, guys. This is nuts. This is crazy. Look at this thing. It's got... It literally looks like an actual, like, chest. So, if you look on the front, it literally has like a... Put your thumb on there. But it looks like it's got the clips here. And you can see down here in the corner. It might be a little hard to see. Maybe I'll zoom in on that if I can for you guys. But yeah, it's a little hard to see, but here, I'll even bring it up to you. Egon Spangler. So it's Proton Pack. Okay. Whew. Oh my. Oh boy. Guys, I can't emphasize enough right now how super excited I am right now. I am just literally like freaking out. And I know I'm just going to keep going. So get back to it. We're going to open this up. There's a lot of tape on here. And I mean, I just think this is so cool because it looks like a chest. So, but we'll open this up. Alright guys, so I'm going to open this up. Check that out. Especially I love this too. This has actually got, on the inside here, it's actually got, no sorry about the light there, but it's actually got the Ghostbusters logo right here. So, I'm freaking out, guys. Because so we got this little envelope in here that comes. Now if you guys look at this, and I'll try to give you a better angle here, but let me zoom in a little bit. So if you look at it, it looks like wood planking, like wood paneling on the inside here. And this is just a little drop down, so it just drops down into this. But there's something, I'm assuming, under this, you know. But if you guys look over here, there's this wood plank. This thing moves. So I'm going to see if I can get this thing to move out of the way. And in fact, you can even see right here. I'll zoom in a little bit on that too. But you can kind of see there's an arrow. And it's pointing in the direction of push it this way. But it doesn't seem to want to move. Well, before I mess with that, I'm going to zoom out again here for you guys. So, I want to look at this first. Let's see what this is. Oh, that's cool. Okay. So this has got... Okay. So in here we got an instruction sheet, but this is the part that I think is really cool. So here we got blueprints of the actual Proton Pack. Just the Proton Pack by itself, but then you can actually see it shows you step by step how to add the neutron wand onto this. But there's also more on the back that shows you step by step everything that you need to do. But it's so cool, guys, because it's literally like just like a regular blueprints, but you can actually see like Proton Pack. But yeah, oh, that's so cool. All right, let's see if I can pop anything open in here. Okay, so this panel just comes right off, and then there's stuff inside. So I'm gonna bring you over here, and we'll zoom in on here. So you can see this panel opens up. Now, this is just a box that has nothing in it. So we'll set that aside. I still can't technically get this open until I get this piece open. So let me see if I can figure out why this doesn't want to pop open. There we go. So I just had to lift it up a little bit, but now this is loose and this is loose. So if I fold this, oh wow. So if you guys see here, so phantasmical samples, potentially sentinel, handle with care, extreme care actually. So I'm gonna open this up real quick. And we're going to take a look inside there. I'm going to set this down over here. Okay. So we got just a regular little bag in here. Okay. So guys, this stuff here, this is actually marshmallow stuff that actually gets put on to the Proton Pack. It's really weird. It feels more, I guess, rubbery, but it actually feels like, you know, it's almost kind of a little bit of a slimy feel to it too. But that's actually goes on the Proton Pack to make it look like it has melted marshmallow on it. Not too bad. Can't complain too much on that. So we'll put that back in the bag for now. And we'll put that back in our box. We'll save that for another time just because I more or less want to get to the main thing in here, which I'm sure you guys want to see as well. So now this is really cool. It looks like a little ghost trap, which let's see if we can figure out. Okay, so there's just a couple pieces of tape on here, but it's kind of cool how it looks like. Yeah, it looks like the ghost trap. But what do we have inside the little box? So we'll open this up. Okay. Oh, okay. So this in here, guys, this is pretty cool. These are marshmallow mini puffs, and you can see they're kind of burnt. Oh, excuse me, I got the hiccups here, but actually it's kind of funny. They smell a little bit like a burnt marshmallow, and they feel like a burnt marshmallow. So, but that's super cool. And there's inside here, there's we got a couple in here. So we got, it looks like 3 different ones. So each one looks a little different, has different burn marks on them. Yep, see? They're super cool. But then also, these actually come, and I won't get too much into it because once again, this is more about the pack than anything else, but I do want to just show you guys some of the stuff that comes with it. But yeah, you also get like interchangeable heads. So if you want like this guy to be a little bit different, you can change his head over and stuff. So yeah, so you get 3 of these guys, you know, 3 of these little guys, and these guys, because of their hands here will actually clip on to the pack, so you can have them dangling off the pack as you're walking around. So that's pretty cool. So I'm gonna put these guys down in our little ghost trap thing here. This is so cool right now, guys. Everybody, I hope you guys are enjoying this. I know I'm super excited. It's, you know, it's going to take a little bit longer for me to probably get through this, but that's why I said it's going to be a 2-part episode, unfortunately. So, okay, so let's see if this part will pop up here. Okay, so now we can take this whole top piece off, and I'm going to set this out of the way. I also needed to look inside and see if there was anything in there, but yeah, they put these little cube things in here just to kind of save space. But oh my goodness, oh guys. Here, I'm gonna get this a little bit more for you. There we go. Oh, guys, it's right here. Oh, sick. You guys have no idea how I've waited so long. Alright, I'm going to zoom in on that for you guys so you guys can see a little bit better, but you can actually see the entire Proton Pack and the wiring harnesses. I mean, it's just, guys, this thing is so beautiful. This is actually metal right here. It's like an aluminum, but you see the actual housing here. That's so cool. So, alright. Well, here, guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull this thing out of here. And then I'm going to get it all set up for you guys, so then I can actually like show you the next part, which is basically show this thing in all of its glory. So I will be right back. Okay, guys, I wanted to show you one thing. So down in the bottom there was a bunch of stuff and like paper and all that stuff, but underneath that there was this box, which has basically Stance Spangler nuclear accelerator storage stand. So this is actually for the Proton Pack to sit on, so you can actually display it. But you know, this is an unboxing, so of course I want to show you guys what's inside here. So in here, so we got just regular envelope, but this thing is actually, from what I heard, is, so of course when you guys saw the Proton Pack, inside here is a set of brand new stickers. So if you wanted the stickers to be more like fresh and clean looking instead of like really dirty, you can put these new stickers on it. Now the only thing is like these aren't like the metallic stickers, so they're just like regular stickers, but I know I've seen people like online get better stickers than this. So, but this is still cool that they actually gave us stickers for it. So in here, more stickers. So you get Ghostbusters, and then it's like, so you got Afterlife, the Afterlife picture here, It's Okay, We're Ghostbusting, I Ain't Afraid No Ghost, you even have the Ghostbuster logo is actually just a regular sticker there, and then you got more of like Ecto-1 and kind of more of the 80s type of look and stuff like that, but then you have all the original Ghostbusters down here on the bottom. So yeah, looks really cool. So more stickers. We like stickers. So, and then this was another thing. This they updated, and it actually has more pages in it. So it's Egon Spangler's journal. And in here is things like, you know, newspaper clippings. Yeah, you got like more notes, stuff like that. But I mean, look at the detail of like the writings in this. Everything from, you know, how the pack straps on. I mean, it's all like, it all looks like it's like handwritten stuff. And that's super cool. It even looks like it's got the, you know, posted notes on it and stuff like that. And then, you know, everything from like Xing out things and stuff like that. But yeah, it's so many cool little things in there. So this is actually super cool too. So yeah, so all right. But let's get back to what we were originally going to look at, which is the pack itself in all of its glory. So I will be just really quick putting this stuff back, and then we'll go from there of taking this stand out, and I think this is probably, yeah, this might be, let me open this real quick, because remember, this is still an unboxing, so we're wanting to make sure I check on some things. Oh yes, okay. So guys, inside here, this is the other part too. This is actually, this is the Neutrino wand. This is the cable that actually hooks up to the, this end goes to the wand, this end goes to the actual pack. And from there, they can work. So, let's see, we also got couple other little things in here. Let me just open this up real quick, because I know there was a couple of things that are needing to be put on the pack still. Okay, so this is actually, which is really cool. So this is actual metal, but this is actually part of the pack that literally, this is the, I always forget what this part is called, but it's actually, it's the metal rod that comes off on the back. But I'll show you when this is on, I'll show you what I mean on that. So I was wondering where that was. Let's see, we also have in here, okay, so they actually added this new orange plug that goes over the tip of the actual Neutrino wand to make it basically look safe, so it doesn't look like an actual gun and like it will hurt anybody. So this just goes over the tip of it, but that's what they did with the new ones. Now, ones that came out now have this tip already on it, so if you didn't get one, that's why they put this in here, is so that you can actually put one on there. So I actually did not know about this, that this was going to be in there, but that's cool. So we will put that in here, and then one other little box in here, or a little bag in here. And this sounds like what I think it is. And we'll just double check and make sure. Okay, so if you hear that kind of metal clanking sound, so what this is bolts and nuts and stuff, and this is actually if you want to put an Alice pack on the actual Proton Pack, which is what you have the ability to do. But when you guys see the pack, you guys will get to see actually that you might not need a pack. It's, you know, to be put on there, but that's up to you. So, okay, so this is all hardware stuff. So I'm going to put this back in here. Alright, so we got that. Okay, so right, so I will be right back, guys. Okay, guys, so I'm still behind the camera, but now we're out of all of the boxes. And so basically I want to bring this thing closer to you guys so you can see all of the detail. And I'll even zoom in here and stay out of the light so you guys can see it. But I mean, everything from this wiring in here. Now, of course, all of this, you can feel it's kind of like a rubber coating on it. But even like these are like aluminum. You can actually feel it. But some of this stuff actually feels like the real stuff. Like it feels like real pipes, you know, with like sort of what feels like real duct tape, but or electrician's tape. But you can just see all of the things. By the way, this is one thing that I don't know if a lot of you guys know, but there was actually a hidden switch right in here as well. This switch, they put it on the pack, but the thing is that it's actually not a functional switch, but you can make it a functional switch. So that's why Hasbro put that on there, is that you can actually do something with it. Now, this guy here though, that is your volume control. So if you turn it counterclockwise, it brings the volume down. If you turn it the other way, you know, clockwise, it will actually it will bring up the volume. So, but just looking at it, by the way, this is the ion arm, by the way, so now you can see where it's supposed to go. This just snaps into place. I think with something like that though, because of, you know, walking around like a con or whatever, you probably want to make that a lot more sturdy. So I'm even thinking of just like trying to figure out some kind of glue or something to put that on there. But you can see like even the ribbon's all, you know, on here and stuff like that. So they got this coating on here, and I've seen so many videos where people are actually like changing this stuff out with the real legit stuff to make it more real. But that's totally up to you as the people that have these things. But look at this thing. Look at the detail on this. Everything from the stickers, the scuff marks. I mean, it's just all so amazing. You know, the hoses, just so much detail on this thing. But the other thing that I think is super interesting about this, so I'm going to back this up just a little bit here, and I'll flip this thing around real quick so you guys can see behind it as well. Because on the back side of this, so I'll just kind of hold this up here so that you guys can see. Ooh, don't fall over, please. You're gonna freak me out. But you look on the back side of this, and it's already got straps. So the straps, it's like ready to wear, you know. And this panel right here, if you guys can kind of see that, you see the screw holes in here, that's actually where the D batteries go. So yes, this needs D batteries in it, but I've seen so many people online who have already taken these things and remove this and put in an actual rechargeable battery, so that they can make it long lasting. But you know, basically you got the clips on here and everything like that. Now, but as I said, you can literally put an Alice frame on here, and the Alice frame, all the hardware that you need all hooks into these little holes in the back here. So it's pretty much like this thing out of the box is ready to go, except for now we'll have to put the batteries in it. So but yeah, all right, so I am going to flip this thing back around here, and So, alright, and I'm going to snap around back behind the camera again. But this thing has also got a couple hidden compartments, one on that side there. But it's also got something hidden here. But I think the one thing that most of you know about, which of course I'm going to zoom in on here as well, is that we have, if I can show it here, oh, there it is right there. So right there is the actual power switch that if you've seen the Afterlife movie, and if you haven't, sorry, I'm trying not to spoil anything, but there is actually a power switch right there that you just toggle back and forth. And it, you know, right now does not have batteries in it, so it's not going to do anything. But that's actually going to be where my next video is going to come into play. Because the thing is, guys, and I'm going to tell you right now, there is so much going on in this, and so many things to go on with this, including when I put this cord on, and put on the actual wand on the side here. Once I put all that stuff on, then I'm going to basically power it up, give it a try, and go from there. But first, I just wanted to show you guys the unboxing of it, show you guys the detail of it, and I will tell you right now, in my life, this is awesome. I've seen them on the movies, but I've never seen one close up like this, and it's amazing the amount of detail they put in these things, but it's just amazing to me the size of it. I just couldn't believe that. So yeah, anyway, so I'm gonna hop around back to the front of the camera here, and I'll be back in just a second. Okay guys, so I'm freaking out. I'm so excited, and I'm glad you guys are here to check this out, see this in this part of it right now. And I know, I hate to do this to you guys, but I don't want this video going too long, because then you guys might start losing interest in it. So that's why I was going to break this down into 2 videos. So sorry about that, but trust me, stick around, because this only gets better from here. I thought the unboxing was cool because I tried so hard not to get giddy. And now the next thing that will be to plug everything in, put the batteries into it, and turn it on. So please guys, I can't emphasize enough with you, everybody out there, all my subscribers, all of you guys, once again, please stick around, check out this video. The next time you guys see me, I will have a different shirt on. But also, the reason I'm going to do a different shirt is because when we power this thing up, the next thing that I'm going to try to do is, because I mean, we got the straps back here, might as well see if we can test it, try it on, and see if we can actually become a real Ghostbuster. So anyways, please guys, come back next month. I promise you it will be totally worth it. And thank you for at least sticking around. So as I said, this is video part 1, and then I will see you guys next month for video part 2. And trust me, it will be 100% worth it. Alright guys, other than that guys, I will see you next time. There's that classic music already starting to play, but hit that subscribe button for me, because that does help. Also hit that like button, and I will see you guys in a month. Alright, bye.